currently fixing my broken window regulator. So this will be, it's the plastic stuff in here that gets broken and your cable is dangling. So I took all the door card and the weather stripping in there, the weather cover, and or the barrier somehow. So I'm going to take out the glass. I'm going to separate it from the regulator. So you need to align it. There's a 10 mm bolt in here that attaches the glass to the regulator. So we need to take that out and then secure the glass and then pull out the regulator. Just like leave it loose, something like that. Yep. You don't need to like have the bolt. Don't need to remove the bolt, I guess. Yeah. So this one it's just dangling. So yeah, I could slide this glass up again. Seems to be, yeah, I think it's probably I need to put a tape in there just to make sure it will not fall down on me while I'm taking stuff. Nuts that you can. This one. And this one. Yep. 3 nuts. Oh. Slide this out. Oh, I need to disconnect it. Got it disconnected and sliding it out. And I'm going to replace the new regulator in. This is the cheapest one from Rock Auto, and actually it's bad because the motor that I have is not it's not compatible. So luckily I have an old one there, and I have to like rig it a little bit to make it work. But so far everything is working now, so I have to test it. Test the goes up. Take out this tape here, don't need it, and goes down. Oh. There, old one that I have. And this is the motor that comes with it. This is the one from Rock Auto. Yeah, if you look at this, my existing one is not the same as this one. See the gear in here, and this is the star. So, and then this post doesn't coincide with this. So probably this is like an aftermarket thing. And usually aftermarket stuff, they have different motors. So what I did is I ordered from Rock Auto like just a regulator, no motor, because I want to reuse mine. But it turns out this aftermarket motor is not compatible with this one. So luckily I have an old motor that I kept, and then I installed it. I will gonna install now, fixing the passenger side, and here's what the previous owner did. Bank that will hold the window from falling down, and you got this mangled cable. Yep. This motor looks like same as mine. Okay, so this is better. I got lucky on the passenger side because the motor is actually compatible with this one. Yep. So in my car, the driver's side and the passenger side have different window regulators. Yep. So the screws that are holding these are torque screws, and they're 30 feet 30, and they're easy to actually remove compared to the other one. If I strip the screw, so taking this out, oh, it's so hard to take this out. It's like you need to rotate it. Looks like the gear are still okay on mine. Yeah, this is pretty messed up. Yeah. I think it's not stripped at all. The motor transferred. Time to install it. And going to check if this works. There you go. Time to cover this up since everything is working. Yeah, motor works pretty much. So yeah, I'm probably gonna buy the same brand next time. Look at that. There's no more yeah, there's no more what they call that, this membrane over here. They're all pieces. So yep, definitely needs a new one. Otherwise, okay, there's no need to replace this one. Yep. So I'm gonna put it back. You need to press these tabs out so that you could pull it upwards. Then you can screw it back. This replacement speaker. Kenwood. You could buy this in Best Buy for like 30 bucks. $33, including tax, I think. I need the adapter for this one transferred, so we're gonna cut this one using Dremel because I don't think it will fit. Like, yeah, see the bracket is over here. It will fit if you do this stuff, but the bracket is the one that needs to be here. So we're gonna do that stuff by, let me see if I could put this one. Oh yeah, I could actually do this one too. Yep, could do this one. We're gonna probably cut this one using Dremel. There's the speaker here, and then put the bracket. Yep. And then put the 3 screws in, and it should. So I already put in the bracket and the speaker, and then solder the connector. This is really hard to take out, to disconnect. So I prefer to reuse the connector so that it will be easy to remove the panel soon or sometime. And then I bought a screw M4.7 by 16 so that I could put in the bracket because the existing one is very short. But I need at least twice the length of the screw. So that one, and that one is there. Okay, the speaker and the other speaker too, and this door handle thing, cable, and ready to put it back. No more crackling sound from this side. And I actually have this we got the fader, balance, yep, so things are okay. Actually the other side I probably need to replace it. It's still okay though, but to make it just balance. This also has the same problem, but it's kind of weird because it doesn't crackle at all. Yeah, basically needs replacement. Oh, no more crackling sound. So everything is the fader is balanced. So yep, if I turn the volume up,